Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix camera distortion in Realme 14T. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video. So let's start the video. First of all, clean your camera lens with soft cloth or tissue. After clean your camera lens, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on camera, and here you can see the option storage usage. Now click on it, and then here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Now here you can enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.